So we've had these bulbs for like 6 months and finally changed out our light bulb. Like most things we put on our channel, we just record whatever we're doing and we're recording the tips and tricks to do that. All right, so first thing is, you got this little cover here. Just need to use a flat head. We're gonna pop this off and that's gonna give us the screws we need to loosen this up. So you just got these little clips you gotta undo. All right, so we got 2 screws. Just gonna pop those out. Brakes. Hey, all right, blinker. Hey, and got both bulbs blinking. All right, that works. Yay! Putting it back on. This little nipple right here, you just gotta make sure it goes in that hole, and then you gotta line your screws back up. Put those 2 screws back in. Pop that thing back on, and you're good to go. So this whole screw pulls this in, so you just gotta line up that nipple and then start going in slowly. Make sure it's lined up. There we go. We gotta push that bottom bar. There you go. That's how to change a light bulb on a 2019 Ford Expedition.